Welcome to this 5,000 square foot house in Thornhill Woods. Thornhill Woods is known for its good schools, community center, and of course its woods. And there's a path right in front of the house. The parking lot here, or the driveway here, has room for 5 cars and the garage for 2. So you have room for 7 cars right here in front of your house. This is an exclusive listing in Thornhill Woods. Come on in and let's take a look. Welcome to this home. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 5,000 square feet on 3 levels home. It is perfect for the large family who loves to entertain. We have a nice size living room, dining room combination. There have been times where 50 people have been entertained here at a time in just this space. We have a lovely kitchen right here, large, comfortable. It is perfect for you to entertain, to have family meals made with this beautiful induction stove, convection oven, microwave that also doubles as an oven. We have a great dishwasher and a nice stainless steel fridge. These cabinets here are 100% wood. They are maple. We have a two-tone look where we have the off-white on one side and the wood on the other. Make it look a little even larger than it is, and it brightens up the kitchen. Look at this family room. It is so bright. We have a fireplace that is on quite often, I'm sure. Great for entertaining, for you to entertain all your guests. Just be here comfortably with your family. So when you are having breakfast, lunch, and dinner, 6 people comfortably around the table, sometimes 8 want to come, you have guests, more than enough room. This is one of my favorite features of this house. It's a fully private landscape backyard with few tiers. We have more than enough sitting area here for at least 14 people. We have a beautiful lounge area as well. And as you can see, we kept it really private, quaint, pretty with the flowers. When you have to work from home, you work in this space and you have direct-to-home fiber, where it's very fast, extremely fast. Zoom meetings, Google Meets, no problem. As you get to the top of the stairs, you have a sitting area with a library. Large families love this. You have another space to just hang out. We have the primary suite here. It is quite large. This is a king bed, and it feels like there's more than enough room. A beautiful sitting area that you can just come to and relax. And the ensuite is over here with the dressing area and a fully organized closet. A wonderful feature of this room is that you have 4 bedrooms completely separate from the primary bedroom. Here we have 1,200 square feet of finished space where we can play ping pong, foosball, cards, darts, watch a movie, study, and work out in our special workout room. Right beside it, a beautiful, beautiful finished bathroom with a double shower.